Hey guys, HobbyBox604 back here on Sunday, November 9th. We are doing our group break number 108. This is potentially our last group break from home. We will be going to the store starting November 23rd. So that's when our next break is going to be. So this break, we have two boxes of the new 14-15 Series 1. I'm throwing in a pack of 13-14 score jumbo with this. So here we go. Let's go with the jumbo first. Good luck, everyone. Let's see. Okay, so I cross all the base. Yep. For the Tampa Bay Lightning, we got Alex Killorn, future franchise. For the Ottawa Senators, gold hot rookies of Derek Grant. For the Philadelphia Flyers, we have a gold hot rookies of Ty McGinn. For the Edmonton Oilers, we have hot rookies of Mark Arcobello. We have a regular hot rookies of Ty McGinn for the Philadelphia Flyers. For the Edmonton Oilers, we have hot rookies of Neil Yakupov. Team leaders for Detroit Red Wings. Team leaders for the Islanders. Raising the banner for the Kings, hot rookies of Jonas Brodin for the Wild, Alex Tanguay gold, Seidenberg gold, Mikko Kiprusoff gold, Hudler gold, Semin gold, Tyler Seguin gold, which would be Boston in this one, as you see. Then these should be all base. Okay, there you go. That was that. Okay, box one. It is box number 239. Good luck, everyone. Breakers is giving us some issues, so if I go offline, I apologize. I will have to pause and go back and do it. Okay, guys, everything's clear. Everyone can see everything. Please send a message. First pack of our 14-15. Nice. For the Ottawa Senators, UD canvas of Mika Zibanejad. This is my PC, guys. Ottawa, if you can trade that card with me, I would greatly appreciate it. Mika Zibanejad, UD canvas for the Sens. Pack 2. UD jersey, very nice, for the Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price. UD canvas, Carey Price for the Montreal Canadiens. Oh, Vancouver does. Yeah, Vancouver does. Ernie, I will grab whatever Vancouver comes out of this. Don't worry about it. Nicolas Deslauriers for the Buffalo Sabres, Young Guns. Nicolas Deslauriers, Young Guns. Come on, let's hit a buyback. I want to see one of those buybacks in person. Our first all-base pack. Oh, we have a printing plate, guys. First, I'll show you a Nathan McKinnon base. And we have a printing plate for the San Jose Sharks, it looks like. Very nice. Case hit, 1/1 printing plate, Alex Stalock, San Jose Sharks. Very nice. Yellow printing plate, Alex Stalock. That looks like his base from this product. Very nice. Who has San Jose? Nice hit for San Jose. Beautiful card. Okay, well, we had a case hit, so that's always a good thing, right? UD exclusives for the Arizona Coyotes. Number 38/100, Rob Klinkhammer. Rob Klinkhammer, UD exclusive, number 38 of 100 for the Coyotes. Did you have San Jose there, Pat? Young Guns, the guy that we just talked about, Curtis Lazar for the Ottawa Senators. Curtis Lazar for the Sens. Nice hit, Sens. Congrats there, Pat. That is definitely a cool hit to get from a $80 product. Hockey Heroes for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Vinny Lecavalier. Tampa Bay, Vincent Lecavalier. Shining Stars, Toronto Maple Leafs, Phil Kessel. Phil Kessel for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Pat, you got Lazar too? Nice. UD jersey for the Carolina Hurricanes. Woohoo! That is for me. Eric Stahl. Eric Stahl for the Hurricanes. Yay, I got a hit. Nice, nice, nice. Young Guns for the Washington Capitals, Evgeny Kuznetsov. Evgeny Kuznetsov for the Capitals. Nice hit, Capitals. Yeah, you get 2 jerseys per box. UD Canvas checklist for the LA Kings. Doughty, Brown, and who's that? Williams. UD Canvas for the Kings. I love those canvases. My favorite. Definitely he's a gem. Kuznetsov is gonna be good. Ooh, Eddie Lack base. Our second all base pack. UD Canvas, Jason Pominville. Minnesota Wild. Love those canvases, man. They look amazing. Oh, it's been a good box. For sure, it's been a good box. Shining Stars, Patrick Sharp for the Chicago Blackhawks. Brad, what team did you have? Shining Stars for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Evgeny Malkin. These Shining Stars were hard to hit last year. I guess they're not this year. Okay, our third all base pack. Hopefully no more. I think there's 3 base packs. I lied. There's 4? Really? Okay, that's not good. No more. You have the Flyers. Okay. Well, you had some time again hits. We have a Young Gun coming up for the Winnipeg Jets, Adam Laurie. Young Guns for the Jets, Adam Laurie. Any Young Gun you hit is good. No matter who. Nice. For the Tampa Bay Lightning, Vladislav Nemestikov. I'm only going to say his name once. We got Vladislav. Tampa Bay Lightning Young Guns. Well, maybe you can make an offer to the Tampa guy owner. See if they want to sell or trade with you so I can put it in your pack. Hockey Heroes, Peter Forsberg. Should be Colorado. Yep. Peter Forsberg, Colorado. 3 packs left from box 1. Nemestikov. I said it, Dominic. One time. I said it. For the Philadelphia Flyers, Young Guns, Pierre-Edouard Bellemare. Pierre-Edouard Bellemare, Philadelphia Flyers, Young Guns. There you go, Brad. You got yourself a Young Gun. Oh, we have a blue Shining Stars. Max Pacioretty. Montreal Canadiens. Nice looking cards. Wow. Not numbered, right? Nope, not numbered. Beautiful looking card though. Last pack. UD Canvas for the Philadelphia Flyers. Steve Mason. Not a bad box. That was a good box, guys. Okay, box 2. It is 319. 319. We'll be definitely doing a bunch of these. Series 1 is going to be a good product. So, we'll be having more of these for sure, guys. You can also buy your box $79.99 directly through our website. Yeah, I want to buy back. Come on, buy back. Okay, pack 1, box 2. Not a good start, all base. Hockey Heroes for the Colorado Avalanche, Joe Sakic. Second all base. First Young Gun is for St. Louis Blues, Yuri Letra. Young Guns for the Blues, Yuri Letra. Should be 6 there, Harrison. UD Canvas for the Carolina Hurricanes, Alexander Semin. Well, Carolina's not doing that bad. Our first Shining Stars is for the Philadelphia Flyers, Claude Giroux. Claude Giroux for the Flyers. Ooh, ooh, nice. Clear cut captains. Oh my God, Pavel Bure. Nice card. I have a feeling these are short print. These are not easy to hit. Clear cut captains. 34 of 100. Pavel Bure for the Florida Panthers. Is that yours too, Pat? Wow. Nice card. Nice card. I love the way that looks. Congrats there, buddy. Congrats. I don't think those are easy to hit. So, for the Colorado Avalanche, Young Guns, Dennis Everberg. Dennis Everberg for the Avs. Jaromir Jagr, Hockey Heroes for the New York Rangers. Jaromir Jagr. Blue version, Shining Stars for the LA Kings, Andrzej Kopitar. UD Canvas, Roberto Luongo for the Florida Panthers. And I would be very appreciative if you can trade that with me. That's a weird looking card. Pat, I would love to have that UD Canvas Luongo, so let me know what you want for it, but UD Canvas for the New York Islanders, Kyle Okposo. Man, where do they come up with these pictures? I love it. Love, love, love canvas. Oh man, I didn't mind bidding on that one there. Can't do that now. Good luck, Harrison. That's a beautiful card. Whoever gets it. Ooh, nice. UD exclusive Young Guns, number 80 of 100 for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Adam Perel. Or Adam Pyre. Number 80 of 100 UD exclusives. Young Guns for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Nice. UD jersey for the Edmonton Oilers. Taylor Hall. Taylor Hall for the Oilers. That's definitely not a bad jersey card to get. Another Nathan McKinnon base. All base. Shining Stars for the Washington Capitals, Alexander Ovechkin. Wow, 4th or 5th all base pack. For the Florida Panthers, Young Guns of Jonathan Racine. Jonathan Racine for the Florida Panthers. Young Guns for the New York Islanders, Johan Sundstrom. Johan Sundstrom. Which one do you want, Grant? Young Guns for the Anaheim Ducks, William Karlsson. Anaheim Ducks, William Karlsson. Oh, you PC Oilers. Oh, I didn't know that. Young Guns for the Arizona Coyotes. This is a good Young Gun to get. This guy is going to be good. Mark Vicentin. Mark Vicentin. Or yeah, that's how I say it. This guy is going to be good. Too bad he's playing for the Coyotes, but he's going to be good. UD Canvas for the Detroit Red Wings, Henrik Zetterberg. And our last pack of the break is... Come on, let's finish with a bang. Nice. UD Canvas. Team Canada version. If this does not have a logo on the back, guys, according to the rules, it goes to the current team the player is playing. If the player is not playing, it will go to the team that he played most for. No logo. So I think Heatley is a Ducks now. He plays for Anaheim. Correct me if I'm wrong. That will go to the Anaheim Ducks. I will check and see, and I will give it to the right team definitely. So there it goes, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back shortly.